The 2-to-1 error code on a KitchenAid dishwasher typically indicates that a button on the control panel is stuck. This issue can be caused by a variety of factors, including a stuck button, a defective control board, or a faulty control panel. To resolve the problem, it is essential to check the buttons on the control panel. This can be done by accessing the panel and wiggling each button back and forth to identify any that may be stuck. If a stuck button is found, it should be reset to its normal position. Additionally, the control panel should be cleaned to remove any debris or dirt that may be interfering with the buttons. If checking the buttons does not resolve the issue, the control board may be faulty. As the control board is the primary component of the dishwasher, a defect in it can cause numerous errors, including the 2-to-1 code. The board should be examined for any signs of damage or electrical faults. If an issue is found, it may be necessary to seek the assistance of a qualified technician to repair or replace the control board. If the problem persists after attempting these steps, it is recommended to contact a professional for further assistance.